All right, so we're going to talk through Part B right now. Part B says, do the data in the table support the conclusion that the velocity of train A was negative 100 meters per minute at some time t between 5 and 8. Give a reason for your answer. So first thing we want to notice is that it says that this is a differentiable function, v sub a of t. That means we can say v sub a of t is continuous, all right, because it is differentiable. All right. Thus, IVT applies. All right. And V sub A of T of 5, let's see here, 5 equals 40. And V sub A of the other side of the interval, which is 8, is negative 120. Thus, V sub A of some value C equals negative 100 on negative 5 to 8, or sorry, 5 to 8, due to IVT. All right, because we have to hit every value in between the high point and the low point, so between 40 and negative 120, we hit every single value along the way. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks.